slow, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go.
Yo, what is good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I just decided, I know it's not how I normally start a video, but I just wanted to actually capture this because I said I would be documenting things. I just got off work and trying to mess with the Jeep. So I went to the junkyard real quick. I'll show you guys. I went and I picked up a used battery. I picked up some battery cables from the junkyard, and then I'm here in the engine bay. I'm going to be cleaning it up, trying to clean these terminals up first and see what's going on. I was told that something was cut short. I'm assuming it's this negative, but I don't know. That doesn't look, that's not factory. This one's factory, so maybe that's the problem, but I don't think that that's the problem. So that's interesting. So I'm gonna try to clean this up a little bit real quick. Yeah, try to clean this up a little bit. But yeah, this right here, it's dirty. I gotta clean it all off. And this one, that's factory. So what I bought new ones so that I can cut that off and splice on new ones. But either way, I should be able to clean those up and make it touch to make contact. It should still have some power. So that's my objective today, is just to see if I can get power through the car and see if it'll crank or even just turn over for a second. But all right, let me get this going. I'm gonna clean this off real quick, and then I'm gonna get the battery up here after I clean these off. So this is making me nervous because these are fitting perfectly fine with no ease, with no issue at all. I put them right on, they fit perfectly. There's no pulling or stretching at all. So I was told that they were cut too short and they couldn't put a battery on, a cable on, so that's why they couldn't start the vehicle. And now here we are, and I mean, it literally fit perfect. So it makes me very concerned. So next is I'm gonna have to go in the car now and see if there's actually any power. This is a battery, so we should be reading something as soon as I turn the key, unless there's an electrical issue, or maybe there's a short in a fuse or something, maybe a bad starter. I don't know why they would let the car sit for so long. So sometimes things are too good to be true, but sometimes it might work out, who knows. So let me go inside the car and see if it'll get some power at least. So immediately when I open the door, I don't see any immediate power. Doesn't seem like it's doing anything. So let me just try sticking the key in the ignition. So, okay, so I put the key in and there's no power at all. See? Okay, so we do have a bigger problem. I'll need to figure that out now. This battery's connected and there's no power at all. Interesting. Okay, what's some messing around? I cut and spliced in all the wires. This is not how it's gonna remain. It's just me trying to test it so I can clean up all this stuff right here where it was getting basically no connection at all. And so I cut them off and then spliced in all new cables basically. I'll shrink all that down, but now when you come over here, this is unique because we're getting sound and the headlights are turning on. Whew, they're pretty bad. So this is my first attempt at this. I'm gonna put the key in and just see what it does. Let me see. Oh wow, all the dash lights turned on. Okay. All right. I wanna just click it to see if it will crank. All right, here we go. We're gonna go for the first. It started. Oh my God. Yo, after 5 years, she's running. I wasn't gonna start it, but it started. And look. Bro, after 5 years. That's crazy. And it's quiet and healthy. What the hell? Talk about a cold start.
Ain't no way.
5 years. 5 years. And it's quiet as a whistle. With old bad fuel. Battery's at 14 volts. Oil, it has oil pressure. It has oil pressure.
All right, I'll trade you.
This is crazy.
That's pretty cool.
I didn't. It was like click, click.
Yeah,
I didn't think it was gonna go. I was like, all right.
It kind of does. Sounds like it does need a starter. What's all this crap?
Oh, it has 4 new window regulators.
Oh no, bro. That's why.
It's gonna have a smell because this has been sitting for so long. Needs power steering fluid.
Hey. Not bad. It's quiet.
No ticks, no knocks, nothing.
That's awesome, dude.
She said it had AC.
It just stopped doing stuff damage or
This is the battery problem. I cannot believe this. I'm out of words. 5 years of sitting because of some corroded battery terminals, and it is on and it is running. You guys see it firsthand. Literally, it was $40 for a used battery and $10 for some cables at the junkyard and a little bit of cutting and splicing, and it's on. So, talk about a come up. What do you think? So now it's gonna be on to. I still need to drain the fuel. Maybe I'll just put some fuel additive to get lucky. And now it's gonna be more of just cleaning up the wires and getting it running and see what it does. I was told it passes smog, no problem. When they had it last, that's what she said. And AC works, so it'd be more of a, gotta start cleaning it now and getting it detailed. But I'm pretty happy with the way this thing's sounding, and it's pretty normal smoke. Pretty normal smoke right now for condensation, for it not running for this long. Yeah. Let me see if this back hatch opens. I don't know how to do it. It might be locked. I think it might be locked. Is that? Oh, I forgot it's electric. Woo! Double pull it. Oh, let's see. Okay, not that window. Okay, let's see. Oh! It opens! It needs shocks. But it opened. Wow. Sick. Cool shoes. Oh, right here. It does work. Yo! Sick, dude. I can go to the dunes with my 2-wheel drive inline 6.
Using a seat.
I already found one in the junkyard. On Saturday, $30 for it. Yeah, I already talked to him, so. Dude, I'm so pumped. Let's see if the radio works. FM. Yep. Right. Woo! ¿Qué pasó? Yep. It works. And let's see, AC. I don't know. Okay, oh. Yo. If the AC works, bro, I'm gonna be so excited right now. It feels like it does. Yeah, AC button's on. I mean, for sitting for 5 years.
That's AC, bro. That's got AC.
No, it is cold. Feel it now. It got better.
It kicked on.
Bruh.
That's definitely AC, bro.
Only 120,000 miles. 120,000. Woo! Oh, wow. That's crazy. Yo, and we got Alec right here. He just got the 335 on. It's been sitting for over 2 weeks. Jumped right on. Sheesh. Look at this. Clean right now. He said $5 grand. Come cash him out. Sheesh. Nah, he won't sell it. It's too clean. It's too clean. You just gotta drive it over there. I'll just follow you. Just drive it over there and drop it off. But yeah, she's a runner. She is a runner. Tomorrow I'm gonna come out and actually trim and like cut and splice all the wiring, because right now it just looks crazy, but I'm losing daylight. So I'm gonna get all this made it look nice and re-wrapped up, and then I'll start doing a tune-up on it and start ordering some parts from eBay and Amazon and get this thing getting ready. And then I got to get a detailer out here to get this thing looking right. So, but you guys, we're on track right now. This is gonna be dope. This is gonna be exciting, and she's gonna have a complete transformation for really cheap, and I can't wait to see what else comes to the channel from what this thing brings. So hell yeah, you guys. So again, this is just another short video with the Jeep and my boy Alec in the 335. And yeah, appreciate everybody who's been following along. Let me know what you guys think about the Jeep. And I'll see you guys on the next one. So let's go. You!